Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to get a refund. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get a refund, what you need to do is understand things like you may be eligible for a if you bought a game, DLC, pre-order, subscription or in-game content, and the type of purchase fits refund rules. For games, DLC or pre-orders, you can request a refund within 14 days of purchase and you have not downloaded or streamed the content yet. For in-game consumables like virtual currency, skins and etc. or add-ons, you must also request within 14 days not have used or activated them. For subscriptions like PlayStation Plus etc., refund may be possible if it's the first purchase and you request within 14 days. If the content is faulty or defective like game crashes, downloaded etc., even if downloaded, you may still have rights under local laws. Then, if you want PSN wallet top-up or wallet funds themselves, those cannot be refunded. In order to request a refund, what you can do is use a web or PlayStation app by simply heading over and opening up the PlayStation app. Then tap on the sign in option on the bottom of your screen, and here what you need to do is use your sign-in ID or your email address and then tap on next. Once that's done, what you need to do is enter in your password, and now once you're logged into your PlayStation app, what you need to do is go to transaction history. To do it, simply tap on the 3 horizontal bar and select transaction history or purchase history or order history. Then find the purchase you want to refund it. Then if eligible, there will be a request refund or similar button. Simply tap on it. Then follow on-screen instructions and you may need to confirm purchase details, purchase type, reason and etc. Submit and wait for confirmation. Refund, if approved, usually goes back to either your original payment method or your PSN wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.